Industries generate massive amounts of data, but turning that data into meaningful decisions is a constant challenge. EcoStruxure Power and Process delivers enhanced decision intelligence by combining digital twins, advanced analytics, and real-time information across the entire operation. With connected power and process systems, teams gain clearer visibility into performance, risks, and opportunities. Energy optimization tools help reduce consumption and emissions, while value chain analytics enhance planning, forecasting, and profitability. Shared insights across operations, engineering, and business functions break down silos and support faster, more accurate decisions. This enables plants to respond more effectively to changes in demands, energy costs, and sustainability goals. Key benefits include significant energy savings and a lower carbon footprint, improved visibility across the value chain, faster data-driven decisions, stronger sustainability and business performance. EcoStruxure Power and Process transforms complex data into actionable intelligence, helping industries operate more effectively, profitably throughout the entire life cycle.